Kublai pi baro kini gilongi kubor bam takasngi. Ulakman Rambui Menteri Bakmi Yakatnat Information and Public Relations IPR Sorkar Meghalaya Negasngi ula play ba yaga Shillong International Film Festival Arhajar Arpandriu Edition ka Nyngkong ha Cabinet Room Shillong. Ha ganega jinyalang ladonlang Dr. Vijay Mantri Commissioner and Secretary ka IPR Barubi Solia Director ka IPR ringkat bagi Officer Jangkatnan. Habakran hagani ka jinyalang umentri lo ong bakani ka sunjam kadai ka belawan ra da ka Sorkar Meghalaya ringkat ka jinyarap na ka Sorkar India ban kentiu ya ka kamflim bar ka jinya obenta jang ki samla ha ka benta jang ka creative industry hajilla. Ula penaru bayakani ka festival on pelong na do ka arpsan tarik hadu arpnyo tarik ulber arhajar arpnriu ha Shillong Convention Center. Kaba on peni ki film na kalengkari India baru na shabari. Urumboy ulaong baka Meghalaya kadoni ka riti dustur ka bakarpang barkijaka ki ba itinat shisha kabala aban kringi ki filmmaker na kalengkari bat ka prathai. Ulapan pau ka jingkermen baka ni ka festival kan plila thamai ki samla khamtam ki batrang bandung shaka kampen mi film. Umentri ulapan rap ru bahakini ki laisngi on dan ru ki workshop but training session na benta ki budding filmmaker, director but producer. Banhikai ki benta bapher kum ka scripting, editing bat production. Ulakdo bagani ka senjam ka longban penroy ki sab ki phongjing ki samla ka jalan amal ka kamfim Meghalaya kadang sedang mereka lanang ki ustad hakini ki snem baladam. Shushu ulakot sungubhai ki pajba ka jala ban nashabar ban wanshim benta hakini ka festival. Ban saki ka perthai jung ka film bat ban tip khambnya ek rukam pen mi film. Ha kabakot umentri ulakentu yaki officer bakin nong tre katnat IPR bakin pelong yakani ka festival ban long ka job da ka penpau ka jingeng bakin ikan plilat ban pelong yaki festival ki bakham he ha kisnem ban wan.
Program, I just want to briefly about the initiative of the government of Meghalaya with the support of the government of India that this year the government of Meghalaya through the IPR will formally held the Shillong Film Festival on the 25th till 27th of March 2026. As the Commissioner Secretary mentioned, that this is the path breaking because many things have to follow after this. In this festival, there are so many components which is there. Number one, we are very happy that there are so many entries from other part of the country, other part of Northeast, and also from other part of the outside the country, which will be screened in that film festival, which will held at the State Convention Center here in Shillong. So the main why the government held this festival. As you know, Meghalaya is blessed with unique culture. We have and the tourist spot. All over in fact, the landscape of Meghalaya itself is a tourist spot, which will enable the people from all over the country, all over the world to come, and if they have to shoot their film and come, and by coming here, it will open the eye of our youth. More importantly, it also help the youth to hone their skill with the help of those international acclaimed film producer or director, as the case may be, and also to promote our state. And as you know, that the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya is not very recent. In fact, 30, 40 years, more than 40 years back, there is one first Kasi film which is being shoot, I think, Lighthouse Emma. And then after that, then we have a color film by the name of Manik Raitong, somewhere in 1983, 84, if I remember correctly. So, and after that, there are so many budding artists and so many budding producer and so many director who come and venture into this. And now in the state of Meghalaya, if you see, there are many producer or many director, many film from different part of the state on in different languages. And I also am very happy that during these 3 days, 25th to 27, there will be days where the we will keep training, or we will try to keep the training to the budding producer or director, the process of filmmaking and what it is there, so that we will empower them. As I said, this is the first stage. And number three, uh, in during the course of the film, there are so many things which we have to do. And so that's why I feel that since it is the first Shillong International Film Festival, which we organized by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations Government of Malaysia, it is my duty and to formally announce to the people of the state and the people of the country that on 25th till 27 there will be a film festival in the Shillong, to be held at the Shillong Convention Center here in Shillong. So I welcome each and every, especially the youth, come to witness and more importantly, to familiarize with them with the process of filmmaking, process of editing, and so on and so forth. And as you know, that our Honorable Chief Minister have a vision to give the opportunity to each and every youth of the state depend on their skills. This is a part of the mission, how to give an opportunity to the youth of the state. So that's why we are here today. And in this part of the, I took this opportunity also to congratulate many of the our producer and director. As you know that recently that Halang Kabening by Pradip Kurba, he won the awards, and also the Chanchi Swa, uh, produced by Elva Chira Sangma and Dip Nakardas. They have won also the award. And there will be a screening also of the Kachiti by Kong Simi Kong Tiang. And as I said before, there will be a film from outside the country also. So that's why we announce to formally announce. So once again, I invite everybody to be part of this film festival, and I request the officers and staff of the DIPR and the organizer to see that this festival, though it is the first time to be organized by the DIPR, to see that everything runs smoothly for the success of this, because once it is success, it will empower us to do more in the years to come. Thank you.